Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a short unboxing of my new microphone. This one, the Logitech Blue Yeti, and I'm so excited to show you. I ordered this a week ago and it's finally delivered today, and I'm so excited. Keep playing. So this is the USB, the manual, Streamlab. Okay. Wow, it's huge. It's heavy. I didn't know it's heavy. Wow. Also, there's the turn it on mute, volume. And this is the settings. Where's the... Oh, here's the headphone, to put the headphone here. I can't wait to try it. It's just so simple. I pick like this silver and white. So, but why it's keep moving? Oh, it's like that. Now it's fixed. Okay. Nice. Wow, you see how big it is? And it's heavy also. And also along with this, so that I can connect it with my iPhone, I also bought this lightning USB 3 adapter. And let's see. I'm gonna try it after this. So this, it looks like this. Like this with the USB. Okay. And this is here to connect here. Okay. And also I ordered this one, the earpods with flag. So there's the manual and warranty, and here it is. And let's see here. It's connected here. You can connect it here. So I can't wait to try it. That's it. That's all what I got, and I will keep you updated how it works. Hi guys. So this is how it works. It's working. Finally, I'm so happy. And I don't know which one is the best here, but should I gain? I think my voice sounds better in that setting. I'm gonna read the manual, which one is better. Thank you so much everyone. I appreciate every one of you, especially my members and all my viewers and new subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya.